Step 1. Sanitize. Proper sanitation minimizes the risk of transmitting bacteria, fungi, or viruses through nail tools, products, and surfaces. Step 2. Push the cuticles. Step 3. Use flame bit to lift dead cuticles. Step 4. Use ball bit to remove dead cuticles. Step 5. Use nail dust brush to remove dust from drilling. Step 6. Use nipper to cut the excess cuticles. Step 7. File and shape. Step 8. Rough the nails. It helps products adhere better by removing the natural shine from the nail plate, ensuring longer-lasting results and minimizing lifting. Step 9. Clean the nails using lint-free cotton. Step 10. Apply nail dehydrator to remove any remaining oils and moisture from the nail plate. Step 11. Apply nail primer. It creates a sticky base to bond the nail enhancement without damaging the nail plate. Step 12. Apply base coat. The base coat serves as a protective layer for the natural nails and enhances the durability and adhesion of the polish or nail enhancement. Step 13. Cure for 60 seconds. Step 14. Apply first layer of gel polish. Step 15. Apply second layer of gel polish. Step 16. Apply top coat to the nail for extra shine and durability. Cure the top coat for 120 seconds under the UV or LED lamp. Step 17. Clean the nails. Step 18. Apply cuticle oil.